Here we are over in Winkle this afternoon, installing a Starlink for a customer on an old church. It had absolutely no chance of working on the house due to these massive trees. Come summertime, when all these are in full bloom, it would have stopped working. So we've showed up. We've run a catenary line right the way across to that tree. From that tree we've run another catenary down to our install here. Clear line of sight. We've got a flag with a 2-inch bracket drilled into it, 2-inch mast, about 3 foot tall, with our very own click mount installed. This is Aaron and Phil for Space Internet Solutions.